We all know that every handyman needs some trusty tools to get the job done right. Unless they have the right tools, every project will turn into a mess. So in today's video, we'll show you the 10 coolest tools that every handyman should have. Simplify your cutting tasks with the Makita CP100D cordless multi-cutter. This tool is an ideal solution for those who are tired of juggling different cutting tools during their projects, as it can effortlessly handle a range of materials up to 6 millimeters thick, including cardboard, fabric, leather, and more. Thanks to the compact size and sleek design, this multi-cutter packs a mean punch, making it great for DIYers as well as professionals. The CP100D also has an auto self-sharpening feature, so you can count on consistently sharp performance. Plus, the soft grip ensures comfortable handling even during extended use, meaning you can tackle every job easily. Get your hands on the Dremel Versa and conquer any tough cleaning task with ease. This power cleaner is a little powerhouse that lets you go through even the most challenging applications with ease and comfort. With quick and easy accessory changes, you'll save both your valuable time and effort. Plus, the compact and ergonomic design of this tool helps you to reach all those tight spaces that other tools simply can't. On top of that, the Versa comes with a range of dynamic accessories, making it versatile for endless applications. And with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it remains ready to go when you are. No time to explain? Every handyman wants a smart, practical, and compact solution to store their tools, especially when on the go. That's where the Hazeit Smart Holder comes in. This tool set will be a perfect addition to your arsenal, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a DIY enthusiast. With a maximum number of tools in the smallest space, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Plus, the Smart Holder's compact design ensures you'll always have the best overview of your tools, making it incredibly handy and efficient. It also boasts a newly designed mini all-steel fine-tooth reversible ratchet with 60 teeth and a 6-degree operating angle, perfect for working in tight spaces. What's more, the Smart Holder ensures your tools are always locked in place, making it impossible for anything to fall out. If you're someone who works with fasteners on a regular basis, then you know how important it is to have reliable and efficient tools at your disposal. That's where the Gearwrench 90-tooth ratchets come in. These ratchets are not your average run-of-the-mill tools. They are designed to exceed your expectations and deliver exceptional performance that will make your job easier and more enjoyable. One of the standout features of the Gearwrench 90-tooth ratchets is their 4-degree swing arc. It allows you to access those hard-to-reach fasteners with ease, without having to worry about the ratchet head bumping into obstacles. And let's not forget about the teardrop design and low-profile head, which adds a touch of elegance to an already impressive tool. The locking flex head with 9 locked positions allows you to adjust the angle of the ratchet head to fit your needs. As a pro handyman, you know how crucial it is when it comes to leveling projects. These Crescent levels are a lifesaver because they feature enlarged vials that offer crystal clear visibility, saving you from the hassle of straining your eyes. Crafted with top-notch aluminum frames and robust construction, these levels are built to last, and you can rely on them for a wide range of measuring and layout tasks. But wait, there's more. The coolest feature of the Lufkin levels is the rare earth magnetic base, which allows you to stick them on just about any surface, making your job way easier. No matter what your project demands, these levels come in different sizes, making them a perfect fit for all your leveling needs. Trust us, with these bad boys in your toolbox, you'll never have to worry about leveling again. Introducing the pint-sized powerhouse of screwdrivers, the Klein Tools 6-in-1 stubby screwdriver. It's so small, it could probably fit in your front pocket. With a ratcheting mechanism that moves faster than a cheetah on caffeine, you'll be tightening and loosening screws in no time. And with its various Phillips and slotted tips, you'll be able to tackle any screw that crosses your path. And with its compact design, you'll have more room in your toolbox for important things like snacks and bubble wrap. So why settle for a regular screwdriver when you can have a stubby one that's both efficient and adorable? Why settle for a traditional hammer when you can have a tool that's both efficient and engaging? Get your hands on the Letty Auto Hammer today and experience the future of assembly work. This battery-powered tool lets you clamp cables without having to use a traditional hammer. That's right, the days of tired arms and sore hands are over. But wait, there's more. It also boasts an ergonomic design and simple functions that make work more efficient. With just one hand, you can easily switch between its two grip options depending on your working position. Plus, the integrated work lights and distance meter make your work even more precise and accurate. This little guy can drive in a whopping 500 staples per charge. That means you'll be able to work longer and get more done without any interruptions. Are you still using those old rusty clamps? It's time to upgrade to the latest and greatest, the surface-treated, zinc-plated clamp that will take your precision jobs to the next level. This Woodpecker's track clamp is the definition of smooth operation, thanks to its corrosion-resistant design. And don't even get us started on those dual durometer molded handles. They're like a hug for your hands. You'll never want to go back to those uncomfortable old-fashioned clamps again. But that's not all. This clamp is perfectly designed for jobs that demand high precision, so you can finally get rid of those frustrating mistakes. And the best part? The using method is so easy. This is not your typical drilling tool. The Italiana Drilling Jig Connectings is a unique and innovative solution that will revolutionize the way you assemble your cabinet units. This lightweight and compact drilling jig is designed with your convenience in mind, making it the perfect choice for use on building sites or in small workshops. But what really sets it apart from the rest is its brushing drilling guides, which are specially designed to ensure straight and precise drilling with ease. Plus, the lateral holes in the guides make clearing out wood shavings a breeze. And let's not forget about the lateral brackets, which make positioning the drilling jig a breeze, no matter what your working environment is. And with the integrated locking knob, you can trust that your drilling operations will be both fast and safe. To conclude, we have the Milescraft 8407 Scribe Tech, an ultimate tool for accuracy and flexibility. With its built-in articulating pencil head, the Scribe Tech is perfect for all your scribing needs, whether you're working on architectural moldings, cabinet trim, or countertops. And with its ability to stay parallel on all surfaces and maintain consistent offsets, you can say goodbye to crooked lines and uneven cuts. But wait, there's more. The compact and lightweight design of this tool makes it easy to carry around, so you can take it with you wherever you go. And with its precise and effortless performance, it's a must-have for every pro out there. Okay, that was the list of the 10 coolest tools that every handyman should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.